Thousands are hitting the streets in Hungary, and it's not for a celebration. Yesterday, the streets of Budapest roared with thousands protesting a controversial new bill. Critics say it's eerily similar to Russia's foreign agent law. The proposed law targets NGOs and media that receive foreign funding, raising fears of a crackdown on free speech. The Committee to Protect Journalists is sounding the alarm, urging the EU to intervene. They warn that this bill could give the government sweeping powers to silence independent media, just ahead of national elections. This isn't just about laws, it's about the future of democracy in Hungary. Prime Minister Viktor Orbán defends the bill as a safeguard against foreign meddling, but critics call it a power grab. With elections looming, the stakes have never been higher. Stay tuned as this story unfolds. Subscribe for more updates on this developing situation. LeroyABrown.ca